Hey, good Monday morning, everybody. Thanksgiving week and Super Blast is going to be shutting down tomorrow. Today will be the last day until December 1st when we go back to work after the holiday. Everything is all nice and uniform, looking good. Tomorrow we're going to Meritech. We're getting full service on everything. And get ready to go back to work in December. And Meritech is the go-to place. Anything you need at all, just give them a call at 813-978-0809. They'll take good care of you. And today we're going to be doing a house wash to start the day. Then we're going to be going to do a driveway after that. And then we have a emergency bailout pool cage wash for Dan over at Righteous Rescreening. So we're going to go ahead and bail him out, get that done. Then we're going to call it quits for a nice little stretch, some time off. Tomorrow, both doctors, gastro and surgeon. Wednesday, Ameritech. And then the rest of the time I have off, we got a deck in the back there that we're working on. So I'm going to tear the rest of the old one out and get ready to put the new one in. Bought a DJI drone. I was flying it around last night. Pretty easy to operate. I just want to get a little better at it. And then we'll be doing some drone footage. We'll review jobs with the drone, and then we'll have it track me around and show you how we can wash from about 10 feet above me. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast. Let's go get after it. Hey, good morning. Here we are. We're going to be taking this, going to SH all this up in here, up to there, and we're going to go all the way around by that palm tree stack over there. SH all the way down. We're going to get the gutter in the road, the sidewalk, the driveway, up to the front door, and then down the side of the garage there. All right, let's get after it. First, we're going to pre-treat it, mini Mondu, rinse, post-treat, and this job will be done. All right, this is a regular customer, third time visit. That's a regular customer. His mailbox was green. It's my buddy John. I've done his place at least a dozen times. Now he has a clean mailbox. All right, let's get after it. Okay, now we got everything pre-treated. Now we're going to jump off the injector and switch over to the other machine so we get a full 10.6 gallons a minute. All right, let's go ahead and demonstrate that. A couple passes up and down, then we'll get after it. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast. Get a 10.6 gallon a minute in a mini Mondu. That'll take you to the next level. Guarantee it. Let's get after it. Easy. Didn't take long, right? Now we're going to get after the rest of that, and we'll be back for the final review. Let's get after it. All right, and there you have it. Looks really good. Now what we're going to do is unhook the injector, hook the injector back up, and give it a nice post treat. All right, and that will make for a perfect driveway. It's been 2 years since I've been here. As you can see, it wasn't that bad when I arrived, so always do the 2 steps and it'll last a lot longer. All right, let's get after it. All right, let's take a final look at this. Look at the gutter in the road. That looks really nice, huh? Sidewalk looks good all the way around down to there. Everything's nice and post-treated. Nice sticky, icky suds everywhere. That just dissipates within about a half hour. All that'll be gone. And then when the sun comes out, and bakes that. It'll look kind of like this. This is a 1.5 years right here, or just a little bit over a year. Still looks pretty damn good. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast Pressure Washing. I even cleaned John's mailbox for him. One more job to go, then we're on the Thanksgiving vacation. Super Blast break time. All right, see you at the next one. All right, here we are, job number 2. Got the water hooked up over there, and we got the hose run over here. Here comes the homeowner right now. All right, we'll be right back. All right, and we got this green mold algae up here. You see that up there? Green, green, green. It's all the way down. Let's see if it's going to be on this side. All right, you got some green algae up here. It's all on all these posts over here as well. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast. Let's go ahead and get this thing knocked out. Alright, let's have a look. All the algae's gone all along there. Everything's cleaned up. Screens are brand new, so you don't have to do anything with that. Deck's cleared off. Outside's cleaned up. That's going to be a wrap till December 1st, alright? Remember, always, get after it. And happy Thanksgiving. Hey, got ourselves a drone here. We're going to do a little demonstration about it and see how it works. First thing we're going to do is fire it up. I don't know if you can see it or not. There you go. Okay, it's all fired up. You ready for this? Alright, we're going to bring this thing home. You can see it up there hovering way right there, right? Alright, now let's go ahead and bring it home. All you do is hit this button.
Return to home. Landing.
Get yourself a drone. It works fantastic. I'm Don from Super Blast. We'll see you December 1st. Or maybe before that. I might come up with something. Let's get after it. Well, guys, thank you for everything. And what do we do?
You get after it.
We get after it. Do you get after it?
Always.
What do you do?
Get after it. At home,
Everybody gets after it. Hey, when he gets home, he gets after it. Hey, look at this dude up here. I bet you he even gets after it.
Mr. American.
Get after it! Okay, who won at the gym?
It don't matter if you win by an inch or a mile.
He got me by like 2 seconds today.
2 seconds.
The old man
Gotta get the time in.
beat the young guy.
The old man, how old are you?
Whoa, Don, you don't
Never
ask a woman that.
his age.
Don't ask a woman his age. Oh, it's Bernadette. All right, I got me 175 gallons of water in the tank. And I'm better known as Juan Valdez. All right, let's go look at this little porch, all right? Let's get after it.